This is the Volvo concept truck. Thanks to leading-edge driveline technology and improved aerodynamics, this hybrid vehicle can save up to 30% in fuel consumption and emissions, including CO2. A key factor behind this improvement is Volvo's first hybrid powertrain for heavy-duty trucks in long-haul applications. So how does it work? The hybrid powertrain recovers energy when driving downhill on slopes steeper than 1% or when braking. The energy is stored in the vehicle's batteries and is used to power the truck on flat roads or low gradients. An enhanced version of Volvo Truck's IC system can predict the road ahead as far as 5 kilometers. By using information from the GPS, topographic data and expected speed, the system calculates the most efficient use of both the diesel engine and the electric motor, as well as when to charge or use the recovered energy. The hybrid powertrain will allow the combustion engine to be shut off for nearly a third of the driving time. This can save 5 to 10% in fuel, depending on the drive cycle. It can also be used in full electric mode for up to 10 kilometers, which means zero emissions and lower noise levels.
Here today, for the first time publicly, Walmart's advanced vehicle experience. What you're seeing in the video is the powertrain, which is made up of a microturbine, a battery storage system, and an electric motor. Moving inside the cab through the sliding driver's door, you'll see the key difference that allowed for the more dramatic aero design. The driver sits in the center of the console rather than over to the left. The dash is electronic and therefore customizable to the gauges and performance data that a particular driver wants to monitor. And it's all finished off with a full-size, comfortable sleeper. Moving on to the trailer, not only is this the first time a trailer has been made out of carbon fiber, but it's actually the first time one-piece 53-foot panels of carbon fiber have been manufactured. Looking at the front of the trailer, you can see that the nose is convex, which increases the aerodynamics of the entire package, as well as adding additional cargo space inside the trailer.
Sorry, I can't trust you anymore. You saved my life tonight.
What has an electric range of 1,200 miles and 1,000 horsepower? No, it's not the latest Tesla. It's America's first hydrogen-powered semi-truck, the Nikola One. This Nikola One behind me is manufactured by the Nikola Motor Company, and it promises to be a zero-emissions trucking game-changer. A hydrogen fuel cell charges up a 320 kilowatt-hour battery, and that powers 6 electric motors. 6 wheels, 6 motors. This is an all-wheel drive semi-truck, baby! Nikola is planning an infrastructure of 364 hydrogen stations across America and Canada. Now, the first one should be coming online in 2019, and here's the kicker. Listen up, Honda Clarity drivers. Not only will these stations be available for Nikola trucks, they will also be available to any and all hydrogen-powered vehicle. Yes! Now, in terms of looks, it's a little Tron-like, right? Since there's no diesel engine, the entire cab has been pushed forward, so you've got a huge panoramic window, which should help the drivers see more of what's going on around them.
Personally, I think it looks pretty cool, and I can't wait to see one out on the road.
Within the Supertruck program, we are able to leverage the knowledge and expertise of the global Daimler organization. Experts within North America, both in Portland as well as in Detroit.
We have our Global Hybrid Center in Japan.
Our powertrain experts, they came from Detroit and from Germany.
You can really leverage expertise across the globe, across different national labs, and that really accelerates the development of the technologies. So Supertruck features the integrated Detroit powertrain. You can downspeed the engine to reduce the frictional losses and achieve fuel consumption reduction.
In order to overcome the trade-off between aerodynamics and cooling, we came up with an innovative grille design. So open the grille only in times when cooling required and close the grille under high vehicle speeds in order to improve aerodynamics.
Waste heat recovery was not something that heavy-duty trucking had at all.
So what we try and do with heat recovery devices or systems is to recover some of that energy, especially from exhaust, which just escapes out of the tailpipe, and utilize that to drive the truck itself, thereby reducing fuel consumption.
The contribution to trailer aerodynamics was certainly a very surprising thing to us.
We looked at the nose cone, trailer side skirts, and the boat tail.
Over 2/3 of the benefit actually come from the trailer.
How that affected the tractor, things like eco-roll and hybrid, we had more energy to recuperate simply because the tractor and trailer were more aerodynamic as a system.